What I wish I knew when Dhoni hit that six at Shipak. It's not just practice, it's a spectacle. On day 10 of CSK's practice camp, Dhoni at age 43 smacked a jaw-dropping six off a short ball. This got fans buzzing for IPL 2025. Despite a knee injury last year, Dhoni's been focusing on six hitting. Opponents are now crafting special strategies just for him. Even at practice, his presence boosts CSK's morale and raises the excitement. Remember, Dhoni hinted at a final IPL season with that one last time Morse code shirt in February. He's mentoring the squad while Ruturaj Gaikwad leads CSK. Dhoni's adapting to the evolving T20 game, playing as a floater and finisher. His training camp performance signals he's ready to bring the heat in 2025. Fans, get ready. Dhoni's iconic sixes are back, and the IPL just got a whole lot more thrilling. Hit like if you can't wait for more Dhoni magic this season.